YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. You guys could click my Amazon affiliate link, which will be down below. It is a safe link to click. It'll take you to this store on Amazon. And if you like the item, add it to your cart now and check out. They'll ship this to you fast. We are in prime time now, guys. Santa Claus will be here shortly. And we'll have Black Friday deals and Cyber Monday deals going on now. So definitely check them out. Click that link and see what other goodies they have to offer. Oh boy. And out. Get over here. This might be pretty cool. Coming from Welov. I don't know what that was, but this is a ultrasonic cool mist humidifier H500. Oh, I gotta blow my nose. This is a humidifier boost mist technology, whisper quiet, extra large capacity. Alright. It's that time of year again, guys. You already had some snow dropping down. I don't know if you guys can see it, but now it's just raining. But it's cold, so this will probably help boost mist, night light, sleep mode, whisper quiet. That's always a good thing, especially if I have kids. And in the box, cleaning brush, adapter, sponge. But looks pretty cool though. We'll definitely test this out and see what it looks like. Drop the box down. There we go. That's what it's all about right here. There we go. We got the power cord, adapter, plug in. And manual. That's it. Put that right there. Take this out of the bag. And then let's set this thing up. So hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I'm not sure if I said that already, but gotta check up on you guys. Alright. Don't do that. No oils in here. So I can remove that now. Alright. Put that in. There we go. Here's the buttons. And now, let's turn this on. Now here's the accessories. Little sponge, little brush, little ring. Maybe an extra stopper or something. Time to plug her in. Let's see what this thing's about. Definitely see what other items they have to offer though also. And you never know. But this will be a nice housewarming gift, or a gift to yourself for your home, especially now this season. And especially if you have members spending the night, family members. Make sure you remove that. Located in the back. And again, it shows the do not add oil to the sponge. So you gotta push. Push. And there you go. So that's when in, a few months, I'll replace it. You get an extra one right there, so that's a good thing. And it depends, if you have it like in a smoke room or cigar room, wherever you carry it. Gotta put it, kids room, plug it in, and plug it in. Alright. And now, turn it on. Ooh. Got a nice LED red. Oh, they got a bottom light. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's pretty cool. It is working. It's really quiet. There's a timer mode. It's really cool. Give it a few. See if you can get something going here. Just gotta look at the manual for a second. Add water, so I gotta grab it from the top. I'll be right back. There you go, I added the water. Now you can see the mist. Just gotta move this around. There we go. Juice it up to the max. Pretty cool, it works. So Welov, check them out. And then they got the light. See the light right there. Now we got the triple banger. Look at that. That thing's shooting out now. But it is super quiet, so this would be a good thing. For any home, business, work, maybe your studio, or wherever. Definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.